Hi, CP Algebra 1, Stirrup here. Just wanted to review a few things with you. So we're going to solve some literal equations and work some word problems. So this one we want to solve for pi. So how are pi r squared being held together? Yeah, they're being multiplied. So what am I going to divide both sides to get pi all by itself? Yeah, divide each side by r squared. So you get pi is equal to a over r squared. What about this next one? I'm going to want to get w by itself. So I'm going to subtract 2l from both sides. So I get a minus 2l is equal to 2w. Divide each side by 2. Those cancel. So w is equal to, and you can leave it, this whole thing as a big fraction just like this. Just make sure a minus 2l are all part of a numerator. C equals 2 pi r. We want to solve for r. So how are 2 pi and r being held together? Yeah, they're all being multiplied. So I'm going to divide each side by 2 pi. That cancels that, that cancels that. So I get r is equal to c over 2 pi. Here's an equation you've seen. Equals mc squared. How are mc squared being held together? Yeah, they're being multiplied. So I'm going to divide each side by c squared. So those cancel. And this one we want to solve for y. So it looks like I just need to add 3 to both sides. So I get y equals 2x plus 10. Done. Y equals mx plus b. I want to get m by itself. So I'm going to subtract b from both sides first. How are m and x being held together? Yeah, by multiplication. So if I divide both sides by x, I find that m is equal to y minus b all divided by x. There's our answer. You have two consecutive even integers. So remember that if they're even, you have to add 2 to get to the next one. So if I have x and x plus 2, those are my two integers. So that's equal to 106. So x plus x is 2x plus 2 equals 106. Subtract 2, subtract 2. So 2x is equal to 104. Divide each side by 2. Those cancel, so x goes into 104 52 times. So my first number is 52. My next number has to be 52 plus 2, so that's 54. There's my two numbers, 52 and 54. They are consecutive even numbers, or integers, and they will add up to 106. You have four consecutive integers, so remember we're increasing by 1 each time. So if I have x, the next one's going to be x plus 1. X plus 2 is the next one. And x plus 3 is the next one, and they equal 206. Combined like terms, so I have x, 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 and x. That's 4x. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Subtract 6 from both sides. And divide each side by 4. So x is equal to 50. So my numbers are 50, 51, 52, and 53. If I add those all up, I get to 206. So make sure you bring any questions you have about this to class. We're going to be redoing this quiz or taking a second version of this test. So make sure we answer all your questions. Have a great day, everybody. Take care of one another. Bye-bye.